It is important to properly install the concrete pump truck to safely pump concrete. However, accidents caused by concrete trucks running on its own have actually occurred. Here is a question for you. What measures should be taken to prevent a concrete pump truck from becoming self-propelling? The correct answer is to use car stoppers. When installing a concrete pump vehicle, make sure to attach car stoppers to tires to prevent it from self-propellant. Generally, concrete pump vehicles are installed on a horizontal surface. If it is unavoidable to install on a slope, adjust the horizontal angle of the vehicle within 3 degrees with the outrigger jacks to avoid a falling accident. Close to the building structure, since backfilling is often carried out if a concrete pump vehicle is installed, the outriggers may be buried in the ground that causes the vehicle fallover during the pumping operation. Avoid backfilling areas close to the building structure and install in a safe place. When installing a concrete pump vehicle with a boom close to the distribution lines or transmission lines, install in a place where the working range of the boom can be kept at a certain distance from the electric wires. When the boom approaches a high-voltage wire, there is a risk that causes the electric shock. Even if it does not touch the wire directly, electricity flows by spark discharge, leading to an electric shock accident. If you perform work without extending the outriggers, the concrete pump truck may lose its balance and fall over. In order to prevent falls, the outrigger of the concrete pump truck must always be installed so that both sides extend to the maximum width. With sliding-type concrete pump trucks, pull the outriggers out to a position where the maximum overhang marking is visible. With wing-type concrete pump trucks, pull the outriggers until the overhand markings line up with the guidelines. When installing a concrete pump vehicle, lay the receiving wood between the outrigger float and the installation ground to prevent the accident that the outrigger sinks to the ground and vehicle falls due to the weight of its body and vibration during pumping. Be sure to properly use receiving wood, floorboards, and car stoppers to prevent falls and accidents caused by self-propelling. When installing a concrete pump truck at a location other than solid ground, such as an assembly base or concrete pavement, cure and reinforce the ground using an iron plate. There is a risk that outriggers may sink into the ground and the truck will fall over if only receiving wood is used. Dropping transport pipes, joint fittings, tools, etc. from the scaffolding may injure a passerby at the lower floor. Be sure to take adequate measures to ensure that items do not fall from above, such as wearing non-slip gloves, curing on nets, and preventing entry into restricted areas.